Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know that withdrawing USDT from CoinDCX can feel like navigating a spaceship. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its one-to-one peg to the US dollar, making it ideal for transfers without wild price swings. Whether you're cashing out for real-world spending or moving funds to another wallet, this tutorial will have you set in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your CoinDCX account. If you haven't already, download the latest CoinDCX app or head to their website. It's crucial to use a secure connection. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Assets section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies, including USDT. Tap or click on USDT to select it. Next, look for the Withdraw button. This might be right there on the asset page or under a drop-down menu. When you click it, you'll be prompted to choose a withdrawal network. In 2025, CoinDCX supports options like TRC20 for speed and low fees or ERC20 for Ethereum compatibility. Pick the one that matches your receiving wallet to avoid any mishaps. Now, enter the wallet address where you want to send your USDT. Double-check this. Typos can lead to permanent loss. Then, specify the amount you wish to withdraw, keeping in mind any minimum limits and network fees. CoinDCX will show you the estimated fees up front, so you can adjust accordingly. Before you proceed, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. If you haven't already, it's a game changer for security. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll get a final review screen. Take a deep breath, verify everything one last time, and approve the transaction. Depending on the network, your USDT should arrive in your wallet within minutes to an hour. Remember, always withdraw to a wallet you control, and never share your private keys. That's it, you've just withdrawn USDT from CoinDCX like a pro. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.